Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about PayPal, and more specifically, we are talking about withdrawing money at Walmart with your PayPal account and what those limits are. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the daily limits, monthly limits, and transaction limits to withdraw funds from your PayPal at Walmart. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, I've already opened up the PayPal app. If you don't have PayPal already, be sure to check the description. I'll leave a referral link there. And just a light overview on what PayPal is. It's basically a money transfer system. It's probably one of the oldest online payment systems out there. I don't know how long they've been around, but I think it's like maybe 15, 20 years. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment in the description below. But basically, it's an easy way to pay for things on the internet. And just recently, they rolled out a function that you can withdraw money that you have in your PayPal account at a Walmart location. So basically what you do is you just go into your app and then you request to withdraw the money at Walmart, and you can take your app along with a barcode that's generated into a Walmart, and they will be able to give you the cash right there at the counter, which is kind of nice. Now, depending on how much money you have in your PayPal, this may or may not work for you. So the first thing you want to consider is they do have a transaction limit when withdrawing money out of your PayPal account. So the transaction limit is $20 to $500 for each transaction. So the minimum transaction, if you're going to withdraw money at a Walmart, is going to be $20. And then the maximum that you can withdraw is going to be $500 per transaction. And the way you can see that is right here in the withdraw section. It shows the daily limit of $500. So if you happen to have a large amount of money inside your PayPal, let's say $5,000, you can definitely pull out $500 per day, but not more. So if you need to pull out $2,500 worth of cash, going to a Walmart to withdraw the funds is probably not going to work for what you're looking for. But if you just need to pull a couple of $100s out, then yes, going to Walmart to withdraw the money is a good option. Next, they do have a monthly limit on the withdrawal amount. So going back to the example, if you have maybe $5,000 in your PayPal account, you can only withdraw $3,500 of that per month. So that's the maximum. So the other $1,500 you would have to withdraw out of your PayPal with a different method, like a bank transfer, or you would have to wait until the following month to pull that additional amount out if you're going to be going to a Walmart location. So that $3,500 monthly limit basically amounts to 7 days in a row going to Walmart to withdraw that money. Because again, they only have that $500 per day limit when you are going to withdraw money at Walmart. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you're looking to pull out a lot of money, it's probably not too convenient. If it's going to be less than $500, withdrawing at Walmart might be a convenient option. And the last thing I want to touch on is, again, be sure to know if you're going to be withdrawing the money at a Walmart location, there is a $3 fee to do that for each transaction. So if you're going to be going back multiple times or multiple days, that fee can start to add up. So just kind of be aware of that. So there you have it. That is the daily withdrawal limit if you're going to be taking money off your PayPal account at Walmart. So hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.